Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how that we can create this 3D model. Look at the structure, you got top parts, bottom parts, looks like a pipe to join together and running down from the top to the bottom. Just have a look at this. All around there's no sharp corner, so we fill them. Even the joint here, we're going to just fill it. So let's start it. I try to start with the drawing with the parts, then select the plan, X and Z, center point rectangle. I put 25 mil, tab 40 mil. Then I go to circle and I put 20 mil. Okay, so finish this. Then the extrude. I would like to put this just 10 mil. Then another one. So these parts I change down to 5 mil. Okay, click on OK. Then that's finish. The joining parts will be coming out from the top and going down to the middle of the bottom parts, then running to the left, back, and then join to the center of here. So we got horizontal way and the vertical way. So let's do the horizontal first. Click on there and I make a drawing there. However, the drawing will be horizontal, so this parallel with this plan. So we select the offset. This one there, you see the arrows going up, so I'm not going to put it up. I want to put 2.5 minus 2.5 and enter. All right, click on this plan and make a drawing. Okay, I select this one. All right, and then start from there to coming out. Maybe I put 20 mil. Then I coming to here. Now the 20. Then I'm going to here 35. And that's finish. Because this level already done. Now I need to drawing up. So that's vertical way. Vertical way you can draw from here parallel with that, and also you can use different technique to do it. The turning around, I get a plan, go to this point, click on, see that, and double, just click and click, and you can draw it on there. Doing this one first, this point, 5 mil, and all the way in. You don't need to worry. You see, some of the parts you can't see it. But anyway, it's in there. It's in there anyway. Okay, now finish. I'm going to draw a circle there. So on this plan, draw a circle, just project. So 3 mil. Okay. Now, if I go to sweep, they will automatically to select this one. And you only need to do is select the path. They go in there and then say OK. Now I can turn all this one off by visibility, turn off, and this one. Okay, filler. And I would like to put 1 mil. And then I fill this one, fill this one all around, so you can see straight away. Okay, for finish off, you can put any color you want. This is a very fancy color and shining, so you can see this straight away. Okay, thank you.